is really very special for me because this is an amalgamation of two BHK. So I'm going to make a 4 BHK. Not a 4 BHK, it will be kind of a 4 BHK plus an add-on area. So I'll just quickly take you to the tour of both the flats, and it is only the breaking work which is going on past almost a month. So let's jump in. So this is one of the flat, and this is the center flat followed by a lift, and this is the corner flat. So these two flats would be joined, and I'm taking you inside to the tour. So we are coming inside the flat, and as you see, it is all grey because the breaking work of the internal walls is going on. So I am very specific of breaking only the walls which are actually, which are not hindered with any structural elements. So we don't touch any structural elements with regards to beam and column. So what you see here are just the internal walls. So the beam above that are all left the way it is given by the builder. So this was the kitchen and an extension area. So as of now, I am not going to reveal you what this is going to come up, but I am just taking you around to the journey. This was the old dining area which was there in the flat, and to the front what you see is the living area. Now here, this was the common bathroom. After the common bathroom, this was the master bedroom. This was the master bedroom for the 2 BHK flat, and this was the attached toilet of the flat. This bedroom has a very small balcony. So balcony, as of now, I have not touched anything. It is just in the progress of getting the work done. So balcony is still not touched. So what you see here is a clear canvas. We have covered the entrance, we have covered the kitchen area, we have covered the dining and both the bedrooms. So this was one of the other bedrooms. So since it was a 2 BHK, we had covered the master bedroom, and this was the common bedroom, or you can even call it as the kids bedroom. So this bedroom ideally has no bathroom attached. So this was the common bathroom and this was the bedroom. Master bedroom we had already seen. Now moving ahead, this was the living area for the flat. So this was the configuration of the 2 BHK here for this flat. Now here, if you see, this was the common wall which connects both the flat. So this is how the flat gets connected. So we have removed the wall here, and now we are going. So for this flat, this was the storage area which was associated with the kitchen. So as I told you, I am not going to reveal what is going to come up here, but this is the common entry for connection of both the flats. So moving ahead, this was the old kitchen. This was the place where the kitchen of the other flat was in place. So the removal of the walls have been done. Moving ahead, this was the dining area, come the puja area. So few walls have been removed. There are also challenges like this is an RCC wall. This is an RCC parvi. So we are not touching anything here. This was the common bathroom which was associated with the bedroom besides. So as you see, I have just removed the base waterproofing, and just the side walls have been knocked off. The rest area is as it is. So technically speaking, the size of this bedroom is around 13 by 10. So the size is also a good one. Now here, this was basically the living area. This was the living area of the center flat, and here there was a wall, and this was the entry for the other bedroom. So since it was a 2 BHK, we had already covered one bedroom there, the living area, and this is the other bedroom. So the peripheral idea of the flat, I think, might be a bit clear, and this was one of the bathroom which was associated to this bedroom. So this was the master bedroom. So the master bedroom wall has been removed, and this was the attached toilet for the master bedroom. So I'm not taking you inside the bathroom because it is very much dark. And since the breaking is going on, I mean it is not, I just wanted you guys to just have the feel of the plot which is there. Now as the work will advance, I'll be revealing you each and everything, because till now, unless and until the entire breaking is done, even I am not sure about the structural elements like the columns and the RCC walls which are there. So unless and until we complete the breaking, we are also not very sure about how the placement is going to be, how the layout is going to be. But the requirement of my client is like very clear. They want a bigger living room and a bigger size of kitchen, a dining, and 4 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms would be for them. One will be the master bedroom, one will be the daughter's bedroom, one will be the son's bedroom, and the 4th one would be a common guest bedroom. So guest bedroom is not going to be very big, but yes, there is going to be a provision of a gym area and a library, and a dedicated library and a dedicated mandir area. So since I said I'm not to reveal, but still I have also given you a hint of the things which are going to come up. So these are the requirements. Now based on my complete breaking, I will be in a picture to frame the layout and visualize the space, and then see all the possibilities which are there. So I've also started the series of this 4 BHK. So stay tuned for the series. Go through each and every episode so you also understand the journey of how the flat is shaping up, how the interiors is coming up. And as I told you, I'm very specific of not touching any structural elements. So be safe. Be rest assured that it is going to be a safe makeover, and looking forward for the entire journey. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.